Hi, it's Daniel again from CPAP Solutions Australia, and today I just want to quickly talk to you about the auto off and on functions in the Airsense 11 and how you can turn that function off or on to suit your liking. So the auto off and on function works in a way where you put your mask on, the machine will detect that you're wearing your mask and it will start putting the pressure through correctly. Same thing happens when you take your mask off, the auto off function will kick on because it detects that no one's wearing the mask and the pressure will stop. Whether you want these functions to be on or off, here's how I'm going to show how you can operate that. First, you need to access the clinical settings menu by holding your fingers down on both My Options and My Sleep View. After a few seconds, the clinical settings menu will open. From here, you can touch settings and scroll down the screen until you reach Smart Start and Smart Stop. You can turn these functions on or off to your desired preference. To exit the clinical settings menu, press the home button and then press exit at the bottom to return to the home screen. And there you have it. You've learned how to function your auto off and on functions through the Airsense 11. I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure you subscribe below to stay up to date with all of our latest content. Have a great sleep.